Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to a Ford Taurus 2017. Start by turning on your car, enabling Bluetooth on your phone, and setting the sync system to pairing mode. Use the sync touch screen or voice command to find your phone, then select it on both devices. Confirm the PIN shown on the sync display matches your phone, accept any prompts, and test audio and calls to ensure the connection works. Follow these step-by-step actions to pair quickly. Open the phone menu in Sync, choose Add a Device, and put your phone into Bluetooth Discovery. Select the vehicle name on your phone, then confirm the PIN that appears on both screens. If prompts ask for permission to access contacts or messages, allow them to enable hands-free features. Finally, test both music streaming and a phone call to confirm stable connection and audio routing. If pairing fails, try these troubleshooting steps in order. Restart your phone and power cycle the car to clear temporary glitches. Remove any old or unused devices from sync to free pairing slots, and toggle Bluetooth off and on for a fresh scan. Also check for phone OS updates and confirm sync firmware is current to prevent compatibility problems. If issues persist, consult the owner's manual or contact Ford support for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.